And thank you for choosing the Caleffi TwistFlow Manifold Assembly. This installation tip video will help give you some information to get started with your job. The first thing that you notice when you open the box is going to be a completely assembled TwistFlow Manifold Assembly. It's ready to install right out of the box. And included in the box is going to be a set of heavy-duty anchors if you're going to be mounting the manifold to drywall, or you could actually use one of our 659 series manifold cabinets to flush mount it right into the wall. The manifold assembly is going to include an isolation ball valve on the supply and the return. You'll also notice on each ball valve there's going to be a small plug there. You can remove that plug to actually install the included temperature gauges and dry wells. In order to do that, you just remove that plug with a 6mm Allen key, and then you'll install the dry well that comes with the temperature gauges, and then slide the temperature gauge right into the dry well. On the other end of the manifold, you'll notice automatic air vents pre-installed on the supply and return. The automatic air vents include a hygroscopic vent cap. These vent caps allow air out of the system but do not allow water to escape the system. If you do need to pressure test your system with air prior to filling with water, you'll want to replace the hygroscopic vent cap with the plastic vent caps that are provided in the box. And located just below the automatic air vents, you'll notice a handy drain valve on the supply and return. These drain valves have a 3/4 inch garden hose connection and can be used to flush or purge your system. Before we get too far, I should also mention that you can custom order the manifolds with the valves on the right and the air and vent and drain assemblies on the left. You can also order our manifolds inverted to where your tubing connections will come out of the top instead of the bottom. Be sure to specify this on your order. Each loop in the supply header includes our unique TwistFlow combination flow meter and balancing valve. Once you get the system filled and you're ready to balance, you just pop off this white cap, you flip it over, and you adjust the flow meter until you get the GPM you want in that loop, and then replace the cap. Each loop in the return header comes standard with a manual shutoff valve that allows you to isolate each loop if needed. This is especially useful when you are purging the system. These manual knobs can also be removed to install thermo-electric actuators if you are looking to zone your manifold loop by loop. Make sure to check out our 6563 and 6564 series thermo-electric actuators. Once you get the manifold assembly mounted, you'll need to connect your tubing. For that, you'll use one of our universal PEX adapters. We offer them for PEXL PEX, standard PEX, or a cap for any unused ports on your manifold. The manifold assembly also comes with some handy stickers to label each individual loop, so that way you know which one goes where. Another handy accessory is going to be our snap-on thermometers that are available. You can snap these on each supply and return to measure your temperature drop across each loop, and it really helps with balancing. If you're looking for more information on how to fill and purge a manifold, or more information about manifold distribution systems in general, make sure to take a little look at our Hydronic journals, issue number 4, which is available on our website. There's also a link for that in the description below. I hope you found these tips useful. If you have any further questions, make sure to contact your wholesaler, your rep, or us directly. And thanks for watching.